Hey Pro Bono crew, it's Claire Desira here and I'm back with another mindset hack to support your job search. Today I want to introduce you to one tiny little word that can make a world of difference. Before I do that, I want to let you know that I'm obsessed with mindset hacks and obsessed so much that I've actually got my own organisation that is all about this type of work. It's called the Top 5 Movement and we're a training and mindset organisation that support people with resilience, productivity, leadership, and just to have a bigger impact. People just like you, people that are in generous and change-making careers. That's what we're here for. If you're interested in learning more, please follow the links below. But let's get back to that one word that we want you to learn more about. One word that can actually make a world of difference. Now, when you're in the middle of your job search, you can be feeling all the feelings. Worry, anxiety, nervousness, frustration, anger, the works. They can all come up because it's a really personal process, right? And you're really putting yourself out there as a product that people may or may not want to buy or may not want to bring into their organization. So we know it can make you feel really vulnerable. And we know that it can be really hard sometimes to get started on your job search or to take that next action, especially if you've been feeling some rejection lately. So I want to introduce you to a little word called and. And can be really helpful to let you acknowledge the harder feelings that you may be experiencing, but to also recognize and shine a light on some of those other feelings that are firing in your belly as well. So let me give you an example. So maybe when you're going for a job interview, you might be feeling scared and committed. So if you told yourself that the only thing you're feeling is scared, then that could be all consuming. But if you can acknowledge that you may be feeling scared, but also committed, it just allows you to hold both in their place. And life's not black and white, and you can actually be feeling one of those tougher feelings, but also a feeling that really makes you feel really driven and really committed to be there as well. It's the same as for me. I do a lot of public speaking and I feel really nervous before I speak, but I also feel really excited. And by actually acknowledging both those feelings, it allows me to kind of just make more space for the excitement and to also let me know that it's okay. Like, you don't have to be all of one thing. And another example could be when you're in the middle of your job search, but you've had a big week and maybe you're feeling really tired. And if you just tell yourself you're tired, then it's a really easy place to add in a full stop and to just say, well, I'm really tired, so I'm not going to do anything now. But if you can actually also, including that language to yourself around, I'm really tired and I'm really determined as well, then it just might open up a little bit of space for you to maybe take some action. And fair enough, if you're tired, you might not want to do a whole lot, but it just might open up that opportunity and that mental space for you to say, I'm really tired, I'm really determined, so I am going to do something tonight. It's only half an hour, but it's still half an hour, and lots of half an hour add up to a whole lot of momentum with any goal. So keep that in mind, this feeling of and. We're never all of one thing and only one thing. We're always a mix of different feelings, and our feelings really directly impact how we turn up in the world. So it's really important to make space for all of them, because that can often open up those opportunities for us to take action and therefore momentum towards our goals. So have some fun paying attention to your feelings this week. Please let us know if you've got any questions, and if we can help you or your organisation, then follow the links below. Thanks so much.